Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Say it.
Working on my 54. It's 54, right?
Welcome back to the 54 build. Last week I said I was going to do it, and I didn't end up getting around to it. But we're going to try to complete the front end in this video once again. First, we're just going to start off and get into it. We're going to build these fender braces, and then start hopefully working on the bumper. So I just quickly whipped up these brackets. The idea is that these shorter ones will go welded onto the fender, and then the longer one, it's a little hot. We'll be able to bolt to that, and then I'll weld that onto a piece of 1/2-inch rod, which will go to the rad support. So I'm thinking weld this on the inside, somewhere like that, and then we'll go from this point up to that post right up there. Okay, hopefully we can show it, but I got a 1/2-inch bar coming off that support down to the tabs. That bolt will be reversed when it's done, but I mean, don't mind my tacks, I hardly could see what I was doing in there. I'll fully weld it when I get the fenders off, but fender braces are done. Okay, we're starting to work on the bumper now. I got it pretty centered, level in each corner, good measurements from the fender to each corner. Roughly where I want it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with these carriage bolts I just got from Home Hardware. I'm going to slice off the heads of them, and then just so the square lug is intact, and then I'm going to weld that in there so that this will not have a head on it. It'll be a nice smooth look all the way through, but I'll still have the stud on the back side to bolt it to, and we're going to start on that. Okay, I got the bumper all welded up, sanded the front side of it. On the back side, you can see I have the studs, and in this corner, in the back corner, I've bolted in some flat bar, and that's what I'm going to build my braces off of. So the bumper itself will be removable with the bolts, and then the flat bar will stay, and it just get bolt in and out. So we're going to get it back in front of the truck and start lining it up again, and then we'll build some things off this to the truck. Alright, so I just cut some bars, some more of the 1x2 tubing, went off my subframe or rad support, whatever you want to call it, to that flat bar. Got both sides just tacked in for now. I'm going to take it off this block and put the wheels back on and put it on the ground, and we'll just make sure everything looks correct while it's on the ground, and then we'll add some more bracing. Okay, we got the bumper on, got it on the ground now on the wheels. Bumper sits about 4 inches off the ground, which I'm cool with. This is fully bagged out too. If you're new, it's on bags. Looks pretty good, looks pretty straight. My measurements corner to corner are good. Pretty happy with the mount so far. So now I will eventually weld all this up, and then I'm going to do another one closer to this bolt back to that frame there, and then we'll build a nice filler panel and make it look all pretty. Alright guys, we got the square tubing from that support on both sides. All my measurements are perfect. So now we're going to pull the grill out, the bumper off, the rad out, the AC. I'm going to take this whole subframe thing I built off, weld all this on the bench, and then put it back on and weld it to the frame for a final time, and then we'll double check everything, and then we'll move on to sheet metal work. Okay, we got this rad support all welded up. I don't know what's next. I think we're gonna put the rad and everything back in and start putting the grill back together. And I think I need to build one more support off the grill, but we'll get to that once the grill's in. So you can see I got the grill back in, but nothing really supports the grill right now other than just bolting it to the fenders. So I'm going to come under here where this main bracket mount is that supports all the bars of the grill. Okay, bumper 100% mounted. Looks really good. Grill's 100% mounted. Might be too low to show you what I did. Oh, there you go. So I just took a rod off a little bit of a flat bar on top and then drilled a hole, nut and bolt up there. Supports the grill good. So there you go, final fitment of the front end. Really happy with it. She looks mint. Also looks awesome in bare steel. Okay, so next we're gonna have to build some filler panels for these areas. So I got my piece cut out and I got my bead roll design I'm going to do. I left it a little bit long on the front and even the back because I'm going to have to trim it up a little bit, but I'll see how much it distorts after the bead rolling. But something I've never done before bead rolling is stretching the metal. Now since I have that English wheel, I'm going to try pre-stretching along these lines and then we'll try bead rolling it by hand again, and hopefully it turns out pretty nice.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Say it.
Working on my 54. It's 54, right?
I don't know, is it?
It's 50 something. I was gonna say 86 C10.
That's the wrong truck. Okay, I stretched the metal. Hopefully, got my wife here. It's gonna turn. My wife's gonna turn the bead roller this time. Hopefully, it goes better than. What was it? What did I bead roll last time? On the fan tray.
Which way did I go? Did I go that way or that way?
The first way.
That's right.
Yeah, that was slow. Okay.
I'm this is tough. I'm never gonna lie.
Okay, I guess we're going. Okay, hang on here.
You told me to go.
I know. I don't understand what's going on here with like. Man, just stop.
I'm not touching it.
We get some tension on it first. Okay, we'll do one turn, one full turn. Let's start off with. Alright, let's go nice and slow. Yeah, that's a good speed. Keep it going that way. Okay, this one's pretty straight, so you should be able to pick up a little bit of speed. Okay, hang on. They're going fast now.
You told me to pick up speed, man.
Yes, just keep it one
Make up
speed.
your mind.
Okay, let's go slow. I'm a little off the line, but whatever. Okay, you go a little bit faster than that. Okay, keep going. I got a corner coming up, so we're gonna slow down for the corner. Okay, try to do smooth movements in this choppy. Okay, here we go for the corner. Oh, I hope this turned out.
Oh my god, this is tough.
Okay, now we're getting close to the end here, so keep going, but we're gonna go slow, and I'm gonna tell you when to just stop. Go a little bit more. Okay, stop there. Looks pretty good, actually.
I don't know what I did.
You see how it's raised up a little bit?
Yes. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, it's all you.
I'm gonna charge 5% on this.
Who the fuck's paying?
Go to the other side?
Yeah.
Oh god. So sorry.
So. Yes. Okay. Get steady.
I got all the momentum from my strong arms.
So strong. Easy.
It goes fast on the decline there, buddy. It's like riding a bike.
It's like riding a bike. You ride a bike, you go faster and slower.
Yeah, when you go downhill, you go faster, duh. Pretty bad, is it?
No, it's done absolutely nothing.
Oh, okay.
You have to go over it again.
Oh, come on. Can I go fast then?
No, we're like at the end. It's doing a little something, but we need it to be deeper. Okay.
I like it.
Oops. Family shows. Nice and slow. Oh, yes.
Shit, I'm too strong.
I'm sure that's the problem. Alright, we got a tight corner, so we're gonna go really slow. Easy. Getting up to the corner. A little bit more. Nice and slow. Okay, stop right there. See our backside. What? Oh, it actually looks pretty good. Clean it up.
Look at that. I'm not just a pretty thing.
No, you're not. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, you saw my lovely wife there giving me a hand, giving me shit, but it actually came out pretty nice. It's way easier if two people. Nice detailing, hopefully you can see it on the camera there. Came in a little closer to the grill, and then versus the fender, just to keep the line straight. Really happy with it so far. I gotta trim this back more so it'll sit more in the bumper and sit a little bit lower, but looks pretty good actually. Did a little bit of hammer dolly work in that corner. That was a tight corner, but okay, we got the filler piece cleaned up here. Looks really nice. Bead roll actually came out pretty smooth. Probably my best bead roll yet. It's not perfectly cut around here because if I have metal on metal after it's painted, it's just going to destroy each other. So this piece will get some type of piping around the edge, so whether it be rubber, plastic, whatever, we'll get some type of trim around. But overall, it's pretty clean. Pretty happy with that. Now I just got to build the exact same with the exact same print for that side. Got my wife back out here to bead roll the other side. Turned out really good. It's a little long in the corner, so I just got to do a little bit more trimming, but otherwise it came out pretty even. Fills in that panel nice. It's not mounted yet. I just got some old bushings and stuff stacked up holding it up, so I'll have to figure out some mounts. I'm just going to set it down another 1/8 of an inch or so just so it's below the bumper. Okay, we got the panel off. I just tacked the two panels together to make it one solid panel. I have my marks here of where the bumper bolt holes are. So my plan is I just made some sheet metal brackets. I'm going to weld these to the back side of this, drill holes, and then they will bolt in with the bumper on the front side, and then I'll build some on the back. Just 2 on the back should keep it to that subframe. I'll whip these up really quick and get this back in the truck. Here's the basic idea. So now we'll throw the bumper back on. I'm thinking these will still go on the outside of the bumper as kind of it is right now. So last I showed, I had this all welded together and it was all going good, and then it went all bad. I guess when I welded it together in the truck, I only did 1 tack weld, and then I guess it kind of butterflied open for me when I moved it, so it didn't line up with the bumper at all when I put it in there. So I cut that middle section out. I don't even know if I'm going to use these tabs anymore. I might attach to the grill first, and then I don't know, we'll figure something else out. But got fresher that day, give it a couple days, now we're back at it. Okay, I got it mounted to the grill and the bumper. I was able to utilize the mounts I had mocked up, and they actually worked pretty good. So now I just got to fill in this little section again, and we'll be good to go. Got it all done. Mounted to the grill on the back side, mounted the bumper on the front side, welded together. I welded it from the other side, so still got to clean up a little bit when I take it off next. Next time I'll be taking it off will be when I take this whole front end apart to get it ready for epoxy. But yeah, front end metalwork wise, done, completed, happy with it. Gonna wrap up the video here. Thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks, guys.